All right, welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Here I am working on the driver board for a Bally Supersonic early solid-state pinball machine. I was running into a problem where the game would routinely reset kind of at random intervals, and I was trying to figure out what the cause of it was. So the most recommended approach to it is to replace the capacitor here on the driver board, which is C23. This is the original one here. Pretty hefty cap. It's rated at 11,000 microfarads, 20 volt DC, 24 surge. I'm replacing it with a 15,000 microfarad, 25 volt capacitor. The snap cap doesn't exactly line up with the holes in here, so I mounted it with the same wiring that the original one had, and I will basically put it in the same spot. I'm going to kind of cable tie it down just like that, like the original one was, and it should work fine. So there you have it. We'll see if it helps.